Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your trusted destination for top-quality RVs. Today, we're excited to take you on a full tour of this 2020 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 35S, a luxurious diesel pusher with only 33,000 miles, priced at an incredible $149,900. This 37-foot beauty, built on a Freightliner chassis, boasts the 35S floor plan with 4 massive slide-outs, a king bed, and sleeping for up to 6. With its stunning Vision, full-body paint package, and powerful Cummins engine, this RV is ready to elevate your adventures. Let's dive in and explore every detail of this exceptional coach. Let's start with the exterior. The 2020 Pace Arrow 35S is a head-turner, wrapped in Fleetwood's Vision full-body paint package that shines with vibrant, high-quality graphics. At 37 feet long, it's built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air ride suspension and full air brakes, delivering a smooth and stable ride no matter where the road takes you. The updated Michelin tires ensure top-notch performance and safety, whether you're cruising highways or exploring back roads. Powering this RV is a 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine, pumping out 340 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 2500 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for seamless handling. This combination offers the power and reliability you need for long trips or cross-country journeys. The exterior is packed with practical and luxurious features. You'll love the basement storage compartments with side swing baggage doors, circling the entire RV, providing ample space for camping gear, outdoor furniture, or tailgating essentials. Set up your perfect outdoor space with the exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers, ideal for watching the game or enjoying music under the stars. The one-touch 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup quick and effortless, ensuring a stable foundation on any terrain. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a vehicle or trailer with ease. And the rear and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor makes navigating tight spaces or busy campgrounds a breeze. Power is never an issue with this RV. It's equipped with a 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects for efficient energy management. The Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 425 hours of use provides reliable off-grid power for boondocking or remote adventures. Dual-roof AC units with heat pumps and dual furnaces keep you comfortable in any weather, from scorching summers to chilly fall evenings, ensuring year-round camping possibilities. Now let's step inside and explore the spacious 35S floor plan, designed for luxury and versatility. With 4 huge slide-outs, this RV feels like a home on wheels, offering plenty of room for family or friends. It sleeps up to 6, thanks to a power drop-down overhead bunk bed in the front, a booth dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space, and a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom. The front living room area is a cozy and functional space, featuring dual theater recliners for ultimate relaxation, a 42-inch TV with a soundbar for entertainment, and the overhead bunk bed that lowers at the touch of a button, perfect for kids or extra guests. The booth dinette, complete with seatbelts, doubles as a dining area and additional sleeping space, making this RV ideal for group trips. The full kitchen is a standout, designed with residential-style amenities for home-like convenience. You've got a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an electric cooktop, and a microwave convection oven, perfect for preparing everything from quick snacks to gourmet meals. The residential sink and faucet add a touch of elegance, and ample storage keeps your kitchen organized. Cleaning up is easy with the Dirt Devil central vacuum system, keeping the interior spotless with minimal effort. As we move through the coach, you'll notice the thoughtful layout. The dual-entry rear bathroom is a highlight, offering a luxurious setup with a huge shower enclosure featuring glass doors and a skylight for a bright, open feel. It includes a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, making it both functional and spa-like. The oversized rear master bedroom is a true retreat, with a king-size bed for ultimate comfort, a 32-inch wall-mounted TV for late-night viewing, and another sink and vanity for added convenience. Wardrobe closets and drawer storage provide plenty of space for clothes and personal items, and the stackable washer and dryer make long-term travel or full-time RV living a breeze. As we wrap up this walk around, let's talk about making this RV yours. Give us a call at 864-260-9276. Send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com or visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. Our team at Porter's RV Sales is here to answer your questions and help you get behind the wheel of this incredible diesel pusher. Thank you for joining us for this walk around of the 2020 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 35S. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales, for more RV tours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This RV is a rare find with 4 slide-outs, a king bed, and all the luxury you need for your next adventure. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to make this 2020 Pace Arrow 35S yours. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we can't wait to hear from you.